In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add a recovery contact to your Apple ID. Having a recovery phone number linked to your Apple ID is crucial for security purposes. It allows you to regain access to your account if you forget your password or if your account is compromised. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, tap just right here on your Apple ID name. You will then select on the option of password and security. On this page, navigate onto the option of account recovery. Then tap onto this option of Add Recovery Contact. Go ahead and tap on Add Recovery Contact. You might be required to enter your iPhone passcode first. Wait for it to load. On this page, tap on this plus icon to choose any contact card as your recovery phone number. Press on Add and the selected number will get added as your recovery contact for your Apple ID. That's how easy it is to link a recovery contact to your Apple ID account. If you have any questions regarding to this tutorial, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.